You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing names too many people mispronounce. Stay tuned, loads to learn on this channel. Grzegorz. Grzegorz, it's easy. Grzegorz is how you pronounce it, and now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I do appreciate your support, it helps me immensely. Thank you very much. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounce. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.